Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how you can create a robots.txt file using Yoast SEO plugin in WordPress. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to download the plugin Yoast SEO in WordPress, you have to log into your admin user in WordPress and go inside the dashboard right here on the main menu below to plugins, add a new plugin right here. And then just search the plugin Yoast SEO, and as you can see I already have it, so you just have to install it. Right now you will have this button, I need to update it, so just activate it after you have installed it. And then you will see down here on the main menu that you have Yoast SEO tab, and just click on that, Tools, which this is the page I need for creating my files for robots.txt, for an example. Just click on File Editor right here, and then if you already have robots.txt, you will see the option to edit it. But if you don't have, you will have the button to create a new robots.txt file. Just click on that and then refresh the page, and you will have this option to edit it. So this is the main text or code, as you call it, that will have to be on robots.txt in order to enable Google to scan and crawl your website, and other user agents, of course, which are the bots. Now, you can disallow some other bots to crawl your website, or disallow some pages, so even Google cannot crawl those pages. And the sitemap, of course, with your own domain will have this sitemap URL link, which created by Yoast. Of course, after you have at least one post, not pages, posts in your blog, then you will have this sitemap as well. And this is how you do it. After you have added it, just save changes to the robots.txt file, and that's it. As you saw, it's very easy to create the robots.txt file using Yoast SEO plugin in WordPress. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.